Hello there, buds. Today I've come up with some tree-mendous nature jokes just for you. Thought I'd, branch out a little. Okay. I got one. What did a big flower say to a baby flower? What's up, bud? 'Cause flower buds, they're friends and they're flowers and baby flowers are buds and yeah, you get it. Okay, what's next? What do you call a friendly volcano? Lovable. That's a sappy one. Okay, why did a gardener plant light bulbs? Because she wanted to grow. She wanted to grow a power plant. Why did the leaf go to the doctor? He was feeling pretty green. Trees. I can't think of any more tree jokes. Oh, wait, I have one. What did the tree wear to the pool? Swimming trunks. Well, those are my nature jokes. What a relief. Thanks for watching today. Let's leave it at that.